Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
All right, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am first timer
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
because I want to provide my financially, ma'am, for my family.
All right. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. I am Lori Jean Mantalava, 30 years of age. I am married. I have three kids. I am I am I have 2 years experience as a helper here in the Philippines last 2010, 2008 to 2010. I ha I am cleaning a home and that's it, ma'am.
All right. So I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? How old are you again?
38 years of age, ma'am.
Single or married?
Married.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 43 years of age and his occupation is a plumber.
When is your birthday?
I was born on November 20, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 60 kg.
What is your religion?
I am Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I am a high school graduate.
How many children do you have?
I have three children,
Ages?
ages 16 years old, 10 years old, and 5 years old.
Who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband and my mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 60 years old and her occupation is a sari-sari store vendor.
What about your father?
My father is deceased now.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have six sisters and four brothers.
What is your rank in your family?
I am the fourth of the family.
All right. So is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you cannot handle your job anymore. This is a
Yes,
two
ma'am.
years contract. Once you terminate your contract without cause, you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, alright?
Yes, ma'am.
According to you just a while ago, you have a working experience way back 2008 to 2010 for 2 years as a housemaid.
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Here in Mindanao, ma'am.
Is it stay in May?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take your children or any elderly inside the
Yes,
house?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I take care children to two children, ma'am.
How old are those
In their
children?
family. 10 years old and 8 years old.
Alright. So after 2010, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience as a sales lady in the company.
Okay. How many years you worked there?
Um, 2 years. 2 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
I started at 2000. 2013 to 2014.
2013 to 2015 or 14 for 2 years?
15, ma'am, 15.
After 2015, do you have any working experience?
No, ma'am, because I am helping my family. I serve my family, take good
So
care of my.
after 2015 until recently, you are a full-time mother, correct?
Yes, ma'am, I am a full-time mother.
Working abroad is not that so easy, most especially that this is your first time working abroad, and working as a domestic helper is very tough. This is not an
Yes,
easy job, okay? I would like to let
yes,
you
ma'am.
know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is very big one, and employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your family. Mostly or frequently, homesickness will attack you anytime and anywhere. So how will you gonna handle it later?
I will keep myself busy, ma'am. I will keep myself busy of doing my work.
Alright, so can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you
Yes,
finish
ma'am.
your
Yes,
job for
ma'am.
the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to
Yes,
stay
ma'am.
only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I am okay for that, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. It's either you
Yes,
agree
ma'am.
or you disagree. If you disagree,
Yes,
you have a
ma'am.
lot of options, you have a lot of choices. If you don't want our terms and conditions, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
But if you agree, you can come work properly and don't give us problem. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble
Yes,
ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any
yes,
problems,
ma'am.
any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Lori. Lori, right?
Thank
Lori
you,
Jean.
ma'am.
But
Yes,
please stay
ma'am.
connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much
ma'am.
and have a good day.